Ever wonder if a city can truly surprise you, offering everything from ancient history to modern thrills, all wrapped up in one breathtaking package? Get ready, because Ottawa is about to blow your mind. You're about to discover why Canada's capital isn't just a government town, but a vibrant tapestry of culture, adventure, and unexpected beauty that will leave you planning your next visit before you've even left. Forget what you think you know about Ottawa. We're diving deep into its beating heart, exploring secrets and iconic spots that make this city an absolute must-see for anyone craving an unforgettable experience. Our journey through this incredible city simply has to begin at a place that defines Ottawa's skyline and its very soul, Parliament Hill. Imagine standing here, right in front of these magnificent structures, and feeling the weight of history settle around you. This isn't just a collection of buildings, it's the very pulse of Canada. This video is brought to you by Bella Access. Please help us to get to 100K subscribers. Please like, share, and click on the notification bell. Do not forget to watch other amazing videos. The first thing that hits you is the sheer scale and beauty of the architecture. We're talking about jaw-dropping Gothic revival style with towering spires and intricate carvings that seem to reach for the sky. It's like stepping into a European fairy tale, but with a uniquely Canadian backdrop. The Peace Tower in particular stands as a sentinel, offering incredible chimes that echo through the air, a constant reminder of time passing and history unfolding. Just looking up at the detailed stonework, you can almost hear the whispers of prime ministers and nation builders who walked these very grounds. But Parliament Hill isn't just about looking at old buildings. It's an experience. Think about it. This incredible complex is perched majestically on a bluff, gazing out over the mighty Ottawa River. The views from here are absolutely spectacular, especially during sunrise or sunset when the light paints the sky in fiery hues, reflecting off the water. It's a perfect spot to just stand, breathe, and soak in the grandeur, feeling the gentle breeze coming off the river. You can see why this spot was chosen for such an important purpose. It commands respect and inspires awe. In summertime, residents and visitors would flock the Parliament for pictures and savor the elements of the Parliament Hills, connecting directly to the traditions and history of Canada. And in the evenings during the warmer months, the Parliament buildings become the canvas for an incredible sound and light show called Northern Lights. History literally comes alive, projected onto the center block, telling Canada's story through stunning visuals and music. It's an immersive experience that even the most stoic history buffs find captivating. So here's a challenge. How do you take all of this in without feeling overwhelmed? The trick is to allow yourself to get lost in the details. Don't just see the buildings. Imagine the debates that happened inside, the landmark laws that were passed. Take a guided tour and you'll uncover stories and facts that bring the stone and mortar to life. You'll hear about the architects, the events, and the people who made Canada what it is today. It's an education, yes, but it's an adventure at the same time, giving you a deep sense of connection to the very foundations of this nation. Parliament Hill isn't just an iconic landmark. It's a profound symbol of national pride, a place where you can touch, see, and hear the heartbeat of Canada. Now, let's peel back another layer of Ottawa and plunge into a place where the city's energy truly buzzes: the ByWard Market. If Parliament Hill is Canada, then the ByWard Market is its vibrant, beating pulse. This isn't just a market, it's one of Ottawa's oldest and most dynamic districts, a place where history and modern life collide in the most delicious way possible. Walking into the ByWard Market is like stepping into a living, breathing painting. The air is thick with the scent of fresh-baked bread, exotic spices, sizzling street food, and blooming flowers. Your eyes don't know where to look first. Colorful stalls overflowing with local produce, unique artisan crafts, bustling restaurants, and lively pubs. It's a visual feast that instantly draws you in. making you want to explore every single nook and cranny. This market has been a cornerstone of Ottawa life since 1826, and you can feel that history in its cobblestone streets and historic buildings. But don't let the age fool you. The ByWard Market is anything but old-fashioned. It's constantly evolving, blending its rich past with a fresh, contemporary vibe. You'll find everything from traditional Canadian maple syrup and other delicacies. One of the real joys here is the sheer variety of local food vendors. Imagine biting into a warm, fluffy beaver tail, a classic Canadian pastry, flat and fried, topped with cinnamon sugar or whatever sweet treat you desire. It's a simple pleasure, but utterly unforgettable. Or perhaps you're craving something savory? There are endless options, from gourmet hot dogs to artisanal cheeses. The market isn't just about eating, it's about experiencing the local culture through its food, chatting with vendors who are passionate about their products, and discovering new flavors around every corner. Beyond the food, the ByWard Market is a treasure trove of unique shops. You can find handmade jewelry, local art, quirky souvenirs, and fashionable boutiques. It's the perfect place to pick up a special gift or a memento of your trip that isn't your run-of-the-mill tourist trinket. And the street life? Oh, it's alive! Street performers add to the atmosphere, musicians serenade passers-by, and people from all walks of life mingle, creating an electric, joyful energy. It's a place where you can sit at a patio, sip a local craft beer, and simply watch the world go by, feeling completely immersed in the city's charm. The magic of the ByWard Market lies in its eclectic mix. It's a testament to how Ottawa cherishes its heritage while enthusiastically embracing modern vitality. You might find a 150-year-old cheese shop next to a trendy new coffee spot, and somehow it all just works. It's this seamless blend of the old and the new that makes the ByWard Market not just a place to visit, but an experience to savor, proving that some of the best parts of a city are found in its everyday hustle and bustle. After the vibrant energy of the ByWard Market, imagine seeking a moment of serene calm, a breath of fresh air that feels miles away from the city's buzz, yet is right in its heart. That's exactly what the Rideau Canal offers. This isn't just a canal. It's a designated UNESCO World Heritage Site, a masterpiece of engineering, and a tranquil counterpoint to Ottawa's bustling urban life. During the warmer months, the Rideau Canal is a picturesque ribbon of water that winds gracefully through the city. Walking or cycling along its banks is an absolute delight. The paths are lined with lush greenery, providing stunning views of the water, elegant bridges, and some of Ottawa's most beautiful residential areas. You'll see kayakers gliding silently, paddleboarders enjoying the sunshine, and even small boats navigating the historic locks. It's an oasis of calm, a perfect place for a peaceful escape, a morning jog, or a leisurely afternoon picnic with family. The air here feels different, fresher, cleaner, almost as if the city exhales along its banks. But here's where the Rideau Canal truly earns its legendary status and showcases Ottawa's incredible adaptability. When winter arrives, this serene waterway undergoes a magical transformation. The Rideau Canal doesn't just freeze over, it becomes the world's largest naturally frozen skating rink. Imagine gliding along 7.8 kilometers, that's nearly 5 miles, of ice, surrounded by the snowy landscape of the city, with the Parliament buildings glistening in the distance. It's an experience that feels both epic and utterly Canadian. This isn't just a patch of ice, it's a living, breathing winter wonderland. Thousands of people, from seasoned skaters to wobbly beginners, come here to enjoy the unique thrill. There are warm-up huts along the way, places to rent skates, and even kiosks selling hot chocolate and those famous beaver tails to keep you fueled and cozy. It's a social hub, a place where laughter echoes across the ice, families create memories, and friends enjoy a truly unique winter activity. The sheer scale of it and the fact that it happens right in the heart of a major capital city is what makes it so special. It's a testament to Ottawa's embrace of its changing seasons, turning what might be seen as a challenge into an incredible opportunity for fun and community. The Rideau Canal demonstrates Ottawa's remarkable ability to offer both deep relaxation and exhilarating experiences, often in the very same spot. It's a marvel that connects history. It was originally built for military purposes in the early 19th century, with modern recreation, proving that good design truly stands the test of time. Whether you're dreaming of a peaceful stroll by the water or an epic skate under a winter sky, the Rideau Canal is a constant reminder of Ottawa's diverse charm and its deep connection to both nature and history. Beyond the iconic landmarks and the shimmering canal, Ottawa reveals itself as a city of remarkable diversity, a place where historic charm and modern city vibes live side by side, creating a truly unique urban landscape. It's this seamless blend that truly captures the essence of Ottawa's unique appeal. Let's talk about Ottawa's scenic parks. The city is often called one of the greenest capitals in the world, and for good reason. From the expansive beauty of Gatineau Park, just across the river in Quebec, with its hiking trails, lakes, and breathtaking fall foliage, to the meticulously manicured gardens right within the city limits like Majors Hill Park, there's always a green space to explore. Majors Hill Park in particular offers some of the most stunning panoramic views of Parliament Hill, the Ottawa River, and the Rideau Canal. It's a perfect spot to relax, enjoy a picnic, or simply soak in the atmosphere after a busy day of sightseeing. These parks aren't just patches of grass, they are vital lungs of the city, offering residents and visitors alike a chance to reconnect with nature, enjoy outdoor activities, or simply find a moment of peace amidst the urban buzz. Then there are Ottawa's historic streets. Take a walk through neighborhoods like the Glebe or Sandy Hill, and you'll find charming residential streets lined with Victorian and Edwardian homes, each with its own story. The architecture alone is worth the stroll, showcasing different eras of the city's development. These streets often lead to quaint cafes, independent bookstores, and local shops that offer a taste of everyday Ottawa life, far from the main tourist hubs. It's in these hidden corners that you truly get a feel for the city's character, its quiet resilience, and its deep-rooted sense of community. But Ottawa isn't just about old-world charm. It's a thoroughly modern city, too. As you move from these historic enclaves, you'll encounter bustling commercial districts, sleek office towers, and innovative public spaces that speak to its role as a global capital. The city's downtown core pulsates with energy, reflecting its status as a hub for technology, education, and government. This juxtaposition is fascinating. One moment you're admiring a century-old stone building, and the next you're standing in front of a cutting-edge art installation or a vibrant mural that pops with contemporary flair. This dynamic interplay between the past and the present is what gives Ottawa its distinctive character. And let's not forget about connectivity. Ottawa's infrastructure, including its well-maintained highways and efficient public transit system, is a testament to its modern planning. Traveling around the city, whether you're heading from the vibrant cultural scene of downtown to the quieter, family-friendly suburbs, or exploring the stunning natural landscapes just outside the city, is surprisingly easy. The scenic waterfront views, which pop up unexpectedly along your drives or walks, add another layer of beauty to this already captivating city. You might be cruising along a major artery, only to catch a breathtaking glimpse of the Ottawa River or a distant view of the Gatineau Hills. These moments remind you that even in its busiest parts, Ottawa is constantly connected to the stunning natural environment that surrounds it. This city is a tapestry woven with threads of history, culture, nature, and innovation. It's a place that effortlessly blends iconic landmarks with serene waterfronts, bustling markets with peaceful parks, and historic streets with modern urban vibes. Ottawa isn't just a destination, it's an experience. offering something truly special for every kind of traveler. Whether you're a history buff eager to explore Canada's past, a family looking for fun and educational experiences, or a traveler simply seeking beauty and relaxation, Ottawa delivers. So, if you're looking for a travel experience that balances grandeur with warmth, history with modernity, and excitement with tranquility, then Ottawa, Canada is waiting to capture your heart. You'll leave feeling enriched, inspired, and already dreaming of your return.